The reduce closure syntax can be expressed in long and short form. In line 5, complete the closure using the shorthand $0 and $1. So what do we have here? Once again, we have an array of numbers, and we want to say that the sum equals numbers.reduce. The 0 is the initial value, and then we have our closure here. In line 3, we have the first complete example. We can say that the sum is equal to numbers.reduce. The initial value is 0. We're passing in two parameters, x and y, and that's x would be the first, would be the initial value, or the initial result, which is 0, followed by the next element. And the next element is always the next item from the numbers array. And we then want to return x plus y. In line 4, you can see that the return value, the return keyword, can be dropped. You can also drop the brackets around x and y, and so you end up with something already a lot shorter, but still a bit confusing. So now what we want to do is we want to write shorthand code. In the shorthand, we want to say grab the initial result and add the next element to it. And that's really what the reduce function looks like when you're just taking the sum of the items. And then we can print the sum, and you can once again see that the result is 60. I personally find $0 and 1 a lot simpler to read when using the reduce function. I don't always find it a lot simpler with all of the other higher order functions such as filter and map. But for reduce, I really think that this is the most simple and intuitive to read and to understand.